Introducing Mr. Soda Cream Pop. My baby kitty is orange. Look at his beautiful orange eyes. Yes. Very curious.
What did Cristiano want?
Loves everyone. And this is his food bowl. He eats 3 times as much as my other cat. I'm going to try and find her.
Ouch.
Where is my kitty cat?
Yeah, we'll just wait till tomorrow. That's what he's telling me too. And he's like, you don't need her tomorrow. Why are you taking her? I said, she cleaned up all of this shit. I said, I could say, ouch. He's like, this could take time from you though. He's like, you just stay and do it yourself. I'm like, well, I don't want to. I'm going to take this. Like, your choice. And then he didn't even say goodbye, just left. Yep.
Sorry about the door of the house, but
Okay.
Let's see.
Alright.
Where is she? Rosie? Mom, have you seen Rosie?
She's asleep.
Oh, and introducing Rosie. She's gray and white, and she likes to sleep in the sun. She's a good girl. She's 6 years old. And I forgot to tell you, Soda is 2.5. He's turning 3 on my birthday. And when this is from Miss Rosie. Isn't she pretty? And going to back out to Soda. The most nicest kitty ever. Let's watch his activities. Soda, please. Soda, look at you. You're so adorable and pretty. So pretty much this video is mostly on Soda P. He has the same birthday as I do. He's so silly. Yep, that's your meow. Yep, that's his little meow. And going back in, and over to Rosie. Rosie. Hello. Hi. How are you doing? She likes to sleep a lot. Look at those beautiful green eyes. You're so pretty. Look at that smile. She's happy. She's a happy, sleepy girl. She bite me. Look at those beautiful teeth. And look at her wagging tail. Waggy, waggy. We'll check back in with Rosie later. Back out to Soda P. Soda, Soda, Soda. Soda, Soda, Soda. Soda, Soda, Soda. Let's watch his activities. Oh, he's hungry. It is said that if you pet a cat while they're eating, you tend to bond more. Strange, but true. So, Mr. Soda. Mr. Soda's tail wagging. See? He's a wagga wagga wagga. Yeah, that's his meow again.
That's enough.
And that concludes our video.